They slice it. So, ayan. Marami silang food. Pagpipilian. Ito naman tayo sa kabila. Ito yung mga soup. May mga house special pork soup, hot and sour soup, seafood soup, fishbowl soup. So, marami kang pagpipilian. I think these are Asian. Asian nga ba? I don't know. So, ayan. Fried rice. These are Asian. Ito ng Asian. So, meron siyang fried rice, bacon stick, may halaan, may mixed vegetables, of course. Ang aking paborito, crab legs. Ayan. Pero not too much. Hindi siya masyado marami. So, probably later, magre-refill sila. So, diba? Dami. Ay, may mga maliit na hipon. Ano? Yeah, may hipon, breaded shrimp. Isang pila. Tapos, meron din silang tahong. Ayun. This is what I like. It's a scallop. Steamed scallop with garlic. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung pork fish. Then, stick fish. Tapos, creamy shrimp. Tapos, garden vegetables. And tomatoes. Gosh, ayan. So, ayun guys. Tayo ay kakain na. See you later.
It tastes like Milanda. It's missing something.
Malayan.
Yummy.
Yes, it's good. It's supposed to sarap. I mean, yeah.
It's missing a little bit of salt. It's good.
Sarap nito.
So Boeing Renton is
German shop. German juice.
huh? Which one?
They make 727.
Oh.
787.
Alaan.
It's by landing.
Oh, yeah, that place, yeah.
And ito yung scallops na sinabi sa landing na.
Yeah, I think it was yes and no.
Tignan natin. Sorry, hindi ko type. Pero meron siya. So, tama.
Kausap mo.
Hmm?
Ang kausap mo.
Seryoso. Hindi naka-video ako.
Ah, naka-video ka.
Hindi masarap yung scallops nila. Tigas?
Tigas.
Which one?
This one? That's it. Pero this one is good. Siguro na overbake. Okay? See you later. Okay? Guys, ito. Aking dessert. Etcho plan. So, iba natin. Sarap. Tapos itong this one. Meron tayo sa Pinas ito eh. Ito ang mousse nila. Hindi ko siya masyadong type this one. Itong mousse, tikman natin. Sarap. Yung brownies naman nila. Iba natin. Sarap. Very chewy. The brownies, so it's good. Leche plan din, masarap din siya. Pero, mas masarap may leche plan ko. And guys, tapos na tayo sa ating pagkain. So, thank you for watching. Pasensya na kayo guys kung ngayon lang nakapag-video kasi alam mo na busy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. Salamat guys. Then I'll see you next time para pa sa mga susunod ko mga vlog. So this time magpa-vlog na ako ulit. So it's been a while, talagang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog. So bye guys. Have a good day. It's me again, Selena.